Dumating na nga yung 25 gallon customized tank. This is the exact size na gusto ng ating client for a saltwater setup. Ang owner nito is from Tagaytay. And one of the best things about this tank is AIO siya, or all-in-one tank. Meaning, built-in na yung filtration system. Another good thing about this tank is yung filtration design niya, which gives us better control sa water quality. Ang kagandahan pa nga dito sa setup namin ay meron siyang disinfection system na malaking tulong para sa parasite control and water clarity. Today, set up na natin tong tank na to. And yeah, this is the actual unit. After the setup, this tank will undergo a 1-month cycling process before tayo mag-add ng any livestocks. Very important yung step na to because kailangan muna maging stable yung biosystem ng tank. Kapag naglagay kasi tayo agad ng isda, biglang pataas ang ammonia at nitrite, which is very dangerous. Malalason ng isda, pwede silang magkasakit, or worst case, mamatay ang livestocks. That's why we need the 1-month cycling process para dumami ang good bacteria, maging stable ang biosystem ng tank, and masigurong safe and healthy ang environment bago tayo mag-add ng livestocks. In short, cycling muna para iwas stress, sakit, at losses sa mga isda. Kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong klaseng saltwater setup, kami na ang bahala sa buong process from tank, setup, hanggang cycling. Ikaw na lang ang mag-enjoy at mag-alaga. Message lang sa aming page, Aqualife Gift Sets PH.